Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious steak on a charcoal grill, step by step. First, select a quality steak, ideally 1½ inches thick or more, for a perfect sear and juicy interior. Pat it completely dry with paper towels, then season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, prepare your charcoal grill by creating 2 heat zones, one for direct, high heat and another for indirect, lower heat. Light your charcoal and wait until it's covered in a light gray ash, indicating it's ready for grilling. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Place your well-seasoned steak directly over the hot charcoal zone. You'll want to sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. This high heat creates a beautiful, flavorful crust through the Maillard reaction. Resist the urge to move or flip the steak too often. Just 1 flip per side is usually enough during this initial searing phase. You're looking for a deep, caramelized brown color before moving on. After achieving that fantastic sear, move your steak to the indirect heat zone. This allows it to cook through gently without burning the exterior. Insert a reliable meat thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding any bone. Cook until it reaches your preferred internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a tender, juicy result every time. The final, crucial step for a truly amazing steak is resting. Once your steak reaches its desired doneness, remove it from the grill and place it on a cutting board or plate. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital because it allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly grilled masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.